Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster curry. First, select 2 fresh lobsters, each weighing around 5 pounds, ensuring they are lively. Next, gather your key ingredients: a good quality curry paste, creamy coconut milk, and a selection of aromatic spices. Finally, prepare your vegetables, such as dicing 1 large onion and slicing 2 bell peppers, setting everything aside for easy access. Now let's cook the lobster. Humanely dispatch your lobsters, then boil or steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes until bright red. Once cooled, carefully extract all the succulent meat from the tails and claws. Make sure to get every bit. Then, chop the cooked lobster meat into generous, bite-sized pieces, ready to be added to our flavorful curry. Next, we'll build the rich curry base. In a large pot, sauté your diced onion and bell peppers until softened, then stir in about 3 tablespoons of your chosen curry paste, cooking for 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Add any additional seasonings like a pinch of sugar or a squeeze of lime juice to balance the flavors. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the prepared lobster meat into your simmering curry sauce, ensuring it's well coated. Allow it to heat through for just 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid overcooking the lobster. Garnish with fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of chili flakes. Serve your delicious lobster curry immediately with fluffy jasmine rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.